I'm the Grand Master of the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy, and you mop your kitchen floors at least once a week. You change the oil in your car every 5,000 miles, but you do nothing to clean out your internal organs. Well, now it's time for the seasonal detox. When the seasons change, we do 7 days of juice feasting. Every month we do water, lemon, cayenne, ginger, garlic. And every week we do a 1-day fruit fast. Here's how we get started with the ultimate Grand Master cleanse. We do 7 days of prep before the 7 days of juicing, and we do 7 days of raw after the 7 days of juicing. So it turns into a 21-day program. But wait, you're not doing this alone. We have a community, and we're gonna hold your hand every step of the way. And here's how we get started. You're gonna be doing a detox kit during the 7 days of juicing. We're also gonna have ear magnets that are gonna help you with your appetite and any pain or other issues that you have going on. We also have 3 different herbal formulas that will assist you with any issues that you had before the fast. And then there are 4 ebooks. We're going to teach you 3 Qigong exercises, and there are 3 Zooms. Now this is valued at $499, but if you sign up in the next 48 hours, we're offering it to you at half price. That's only $249. So click the link below. We will get your information and send you how to get started. You know you need to fast, and now is the time.